Hey everyone, so we're working on a 16 by 20 oval and we're going to do a ring pour. My paints do have silicone in them, so that we are going to get cells, but I'm using some metallics and some interference and some iridescent, so we'll see what happens. I am going to move this back while we fill the cup because we need to have enough cup paint to cover that big canvas, so we're going to use a pretty big cup. I'm hoping I can get maybe 2 or 3 layers in here. So first color in is going to be Praj Posse Moody Blue Shimmer. Deco Art 24 Karat Gold. Folk Art Sapphire Metallic. Deco Art Sterling Silver. I need to probably take that top off. It hasn't been used in a while, so it's getting a little gummy. Okay. Artist Loft and Grumbacher mix. This is the Artist Loft Iridescent Medium mixed with Grumbacher Prussian Blue, and this color is amazing. And on top of that, I'm going to go ahead and use the Golden Interference Blue. I'm going to tip that to its side. I'm going to go back with the Moody Blue Shimmer. I'm not putting any white or black in here. 24 karat gold. My goal is to empty this bottle. I don't think it's going to happen. That sunk. Okay, iridescent Prussian blue. I'm going to use the end of this. Let me see if I get it more out with taking the top off. Here we go. I'll go back with the Moody Blue. 24 karat. Let's see if we can do it, guys. Here we go. I'm trying to delete a bunch of colors off my paint wall, so I'm trying to use them up in videos. And we're going to end with the iridescent. That will be our first color out. I don't know if you can see that sparkle of that. It's a really pretty color. So if you have iridescent, Artist Loft Iridescent Medium laying around, try mixing it equal parts with your Prussian Blue. It just makes a gorgeous, gorgeous color. Okay. So I'm going to go ahead and start pouring. I'm going to see how it comes out first. I may not ring it. I might just straight pour, but my goal was to ring it, so I'll do a very slight ring. A lot of gold there. I always like to get that one last drip. I'm going to go ahead and torch before we tilt so we don't get a lot of air bubble cells. So we're going to get a ton of cells as it is. So I'm going to go ahead and start running it around. This is how I like to open it up. Look at that iridescent. So pretty. Moody Blue seems to have gotten lost, doesn't it? It's in the middle, but I'm not seeing it anywhere else. Okay. So I'm going to take that very slight edge off. So I need to get some of this gold off here. But I don't want to lose that pocket of cells because it's pretty cool. I'm going to bring it down just a little bit more with that pocket of cells to push a little bit of that gold down. And then I'm going to leave it right there. I think I have enough runoff here to touch this side. Turn it around so I can see the other side. Yeah, we're missing paint on this side. We will tilt just a little bit this way. Come on. It's got a long way to go, and then I gotta go back. Push back just a little bit. You have to balance it out. And you know I don't like anything centered, so my centered ring is not centered. I'm going to leave it right there because this is the interference blue in there. I can see it all, so I'm happy right there. So I think we should wait 10 minutes and see what it looks like, because I do have some cells coming up, and I'll be back. Okay, I'm back. We've got some really cool cells going on here, but I want to show you how I would hold it. I really like that way. It has some interest with this coming in. I really like that. But let me give you a close-up. Lots of little groupings of cells popping up. Now remember that sterling silver from Deco Art is reactive, and also the gold is, so we're going to have a lot of metallics and iridescents fighting each other for the top layer. So we'll see how that dries, but I'll give you a show on Monday night, and you can let me know what you think. So subscribe if you haven't already. Click on that bell for notifications. Make sure you click all so you don't miss any videos. Click like, share, leave a comment. Join the Proj Posse on Facebook, where you can get all the announcements and stay up to date with what's going on the channel. Also, we have a few people in there that Brian is selling his Floetrol caps, and I'm selling my paint. So if you're interested in getting any of that stuff, this is a good place to hang out. And March 8th, Sunday, March 8th, 8 p.m. The auction. Don't miss it. Come and donate to a good cause. So we will see you all on the next ones. Take care. Bye now.